Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter F from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the left side with a diagonal line down here. Then from the top, let's angle it up to the right. Then down, back in, stopping here, another line down, another rectangle shape out to the right, but not as far out like this. Another line down, and then close off the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the letter F, let's draw the face now. Let's start with the eyes. On the top left here, let's draw a curved line on an angle. Then from the top, let's curve it up and out, and the same on the bottom. And then close off the left side. Now let's erase that overlapping line inside. Next, let's add the right eye. On top of this eye, let's draw an angle up, curve it back down, then bring it back into the eye like this. And again, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now across each eye, let's add an angled line. And then below it, a curved rectangle shape. And then color both of these in black. Lastly, let's add the teeth. Let's draw 3 V shapes over here like this. And that's it for the letter F. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!